Namaste everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Let me start reviewing today's calls. Call number 1 was Hindalco Industries at 460. On daily chart, there was hardly any momentum, but this breakout level is definitely on. You should place a limit order at the entry level. But for today's session, the entry level hit, did not hit entry level. Second stock was Torrent Power at 592 rupees. Here, same thing happened. Price did not even came closer to hitting the entry level. Third stock was Zensar Technology at 460. Another bummer. The price action is similar to Hindalco. Did not hit entry level. Fourth and final one was Bharat Forge at 725 rupees. Let me see. 725.15. Arey yaar, nothing happened in Bharat Forge as well. It gapped up at 725.15. Stock number 1 for tomorrow's session is Granules India. On daily chart, we cannot find a better breakout level than this. The breakout level is well above the closing level from today's session. The price action, or I should say the stock price, is continuously coming at the breakout level of 340 rupees. Look at the latest rally. Initially it was struggling to catch fire, but as soon as it broke the resistance of 325 rupees, I should say a minor resistance. After that, there was no stopping Granules India. The volume activity is also increasing in accordance with the long range bullish candle, or candles I should say. If the breakout happens, we should see a decent bullish momentum up to 350 to 355 rupees. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Hindustan Zinc. On daily chart, the breakout level is marked at 370 rupees. Look at the price action. Though the size of candle is small, but the formation of candle is in form of higher highs, higher lows. Also, the volume activity is decent. Going to hourly chart, pay attention. The said breakout level, there are so many candles trying to break above that, which means buyers are making a lot of attempts to break above 370 rupees. And looking at the hourly chart, the price or the low is getting elevated along with higher high, higher lows pattern. We should see a breakout above 370, and we can easily see a target up to 400 rupees. I would highly advise all of you to buy Hindustan Zinc above 370 as a part of swing trading, and your ultimate target should be at 400 rupees. Another stock and another bullish breakout in Jindal Steel and Power Limited above 392 rupees. Looking at the price action on daily chart, we can find a cup like pattern approaching the breakout level. But looking at the formation of candle in the latest rally towards a breakout level, there are long range bullish candle, almost 5 of them, and the volume activity is rising with every single candle, which means there is a high commitment from buyers, and this commitment from buyers should lead to Jindal Steel and Power Limited easily breaking the levels of 410 or even 420. It might not happen in single session, but next week looks extremely bullish for the stock. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Z Entertainment. The breakout level is marked well above 370 rupees. I will analyze the stock on hourly chart. Pay attention to this long range bullish candle. It has a wick on the upper side, which means price went higher almost up to 370, and then because of profit booking the price closed way lower from its high. But despite that, look at the buyers. They have still continued to buy, which means bullish momentum has not disappeared. It might have stalled for a time being, but buyers are going to buy, and they seems like in full control of the stock. So price of Z Entertainment going above 370 rupees should lead to a decent session, I would say above 10 rupees, which means 380 or above that. These are the levels. I'm going to share a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel as well. As I always say, we have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.